Experiencing problems with your J5Create triple display docking station, like models JCD553 or JCD584. This video will guide you through troubleshooting common issues related to power, USB-C connectivity, and drivers to get your multi-monitor setup working smoothly. We'll focus on practical fixes to address these problems effectively. The J5Create dock relies on USB-C alt mode for video output and power delivery for charging. USB-C alt mode enables DisplayPort signals for your monitors. This diagram shows how USB-C alt mode works for video output. Ensure your laptop supports DisplayPort alt mode. The USB-C connector includes pins for data, power, and communication channels. Charging problems can stem from mismatched power delivery profiles. Use a USB-C cable rated for PD 3.0 Plus to provide up to 100 watts power. Outdated or incorrect drivers are a primary cause of docking station malfunctions. Download the latest drivers from the official J5Create website. Ensure they're compatible with your operating system, Windows 11 or Mac OS 13 Plus. Uninstall old drivers, restart your computer, then reinstall the new drivers. Also, update the dock's firmware using the J5Create companion app. Start by checking your USB-C cable rating. It must support at least 20 volts and 5 watts for proper power delivery. Next, try connecting to a different USB-C port on your laptop to rule out port issues. Reset the docking station by disconnecting all cables and waiting 30 seconds before reconnecting. Finally, check your laptop's power settings to ensure USB-C charging is not disabled. If displays aren't being detected, first check that USB-C alt mode is enabled in your BIOS settings. Test with known good cables and peripherals to rule out hardware issues. Use Device Manager on Windows or System Report on Mac OS to identify error codes like code 43. Consider using USB-C to DisplayPort or HDMI adapters if direct connections fail. Many users experience display issues with J5Create docking stations after Windows updates. These problems often involve the dock failing to detect multiple monitors or showing distorted output. A common case involved a Lenovo ThinkPad user who encountered display detection failures following a Windows 11 update. The docking station would not recognize the triple monitor setup. The first step was to roll back the display drivers. Open Device Manager, find Display Adapters, right-click the graphics adapter, and select Update Driver. If updating doesn't help, choose Rollback Driver from the same menu. This reverts to the previous driver version that worked before the update. Additionally, check the J5Create support website for specific patches for your dock model. These patches address compatibility issues with recent Windows updates. In the Lenovo case, rolling back the drivers resolved the display detection issues. The user could then connect all 3 monitors successfully through the docking station. Common mistakes with J5Create docking stations can be easily avoided with proper setup and accessories. First, avoid using uncertified USB-C cables, as they can lead to power delivery and connectivity problems. Always install the correct drivers specifically for your operating system to ensure compatibility. Don't overload the docking station by connecting too many power-hungry devices simultaneously. Ensure your laptop meets the minimum system requirements for the docking station functionality. Experts recommend using certified USB-C accessories, which can prevent up to 30% of common docking station failures. J5Create is investing heavily in software-driven solutions and AI-assisted diagnostics to address docking station issues more efficiently. The widespread adoption of Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4 standards will significantly reduce compatibility problems with modern laptops. If you're still facing issues, visit the J5Create website for comprehensive FAQs, detailed troubleshooting guides, and direct customer support. Looking ahead, expect cloud-based driver management systems that will automatically handle updates and minimize manual intervention.